Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using Zendrop. Zendrop, https://www.zendrop.com, is a platform designed to streamline the process of dropshipping. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools and services that aim to simplify product sourcing, order fulfillment, and shipping management for e-commerce entrepreneurs. This allows users to focus more on marketing and growing their online stores. One of Zendrop's standout features is its vast product catalog. Users can browse through thousands of products across various categories, making it easy to find items that align with their niche and target audience. Zendrop emphasizes finding trending products, which is helpful for those looking to capitalize on current market demands. Beyond simply providing a product catalog, Zendrop integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify. This integration simplifies order processing and inventory management, automating many of the tedious tasks associated with dropshipping. When an order is placed on your Shopify store, the information is automatically sent to Zendrop, initiating the fulfillment process. This automation significantly reduces manual work and potential errors. Another key aspect of Zendrop is its focus on fast shipping. They offer competitive shipping rates and aim to deliver products to customers quickly, which is crucial for customer satisfaction in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Speedy delivery can be a major differentiator and contribute to positive customer reviews and repeat business. Furthermore, Zendrop offers branding options to help businesses cultivate a unique identity. Users can customize packaging and add personal touches to their shipments, reinforcing their brand image and creating a more memorable customer experience. This level of customization allows for a more professional and personalized feel, separating you from other dropshippers. In addition to product sourcing and order fulfillment, Zendrop provides customer support to assist users with any questions or issues they may encounter. This support can be invaluable for navigating the complexities of dropshipping and ensuring a smooth operation. Having reliable support is especially important when dealing with time-sensitive issues related to orders and shipping. Zendrop's pricing structure is generally based on a subscription model, with different tiers offering varying levels of features and benefits. Be sure to explore the different plans to find the option that best suits your business needs and budget. Overall, Zendrop presents itself as a robust and comprehensive solution for dropshippers looking to simplify their operations and scale their businesses. The platform's features, including a wide product selection, e-commerce platform integration, fast shipping options, branding capabilities, and customer support, combine to offer a streamlined approach to dropshipping.